Good morning everyone, I hope you are all well. Today is Sunday and I've just dropped Gray at my parents' house, which I'm a bit sad about because I really enjoy like weekend time, the three of us together, but me and Rich have so much to do. There is absolutely no way we could do this with Gray here, so she's having a great time. She loves being with my parents. And we are going through all of the stuff in our loft. As you guys know, we are planning on doing loft conversion. I'm still saying hopefully because there's been so many setbacks. I just really hope it happens, but if it does happen when it's meant to, we kind of need to get this stuff sorted. And it's tricky because we haven't got anywhere to put it. We haven't got a spare room technically, so we've got like a whole loft full of stuff and nowhere to put it. And for some reason no one in my family seems to have like a loft at the moment. Everyone's moving and like in between homes and there's nowhere for us to dump it. So we have so many boxes, like big IKEA boxes like this, full of baby clothes, toys. We've got like loads of frames, we've got baby beds, we've got all kinds of stuff, like years and years worth of storage that we've just dumped up there. So today is the sorting through it day. I'm starting with baby clothes. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm keeping anything that's like gender neutral, you know, unisex, and anything that's overly girly. I feel very torn because I don't know if we're gonna have any more. Like, I don't feel like we will, but what if we do? And I don't want to be wasteful. I'm basically putting anything that's like really girly or like the wrong season, because obviously now we're having a baby in a totally different season. A lot of things won't work. Gray was like 0 to 6 months in summer. Anything that's not going to work, put it in a separate pile, and then I'll decide if it's going to go to friends, if it's going to go to charity. If it's really special, maybe I'll keep it just in case. And we've got vacuum pack bags that we're going to put them in and store them under our bed. And then I just don't know what we're going to do with the rest. But today is the day that we need to get it done. So come organise with us. Okay, I've actually done quite well. A lot of Gray's clothes were unisex, a lot of like dinosaurs and stuff. So this is all to keep. Apart from the grow bags, these are light, and I think that he won't be in light because it'll be winter. But anyway, I'm keeping all of these, and then this is all to go. I'm going to go through anything nice I'll give to like places that sell on secondhand stuff, charity shops, friends. I need to go through this pile. All right, now I've got these vacuum storage bags, so I'm just gonna put it in there and then label it 0 to 3. Oh my god, this is the funniest hat my friend bought me when I was in the midst of breastfeeding, and I couldn't stop crying, and she bought me this knitted hat. So when you put it on the baby's head and you hold them, it literally looks like a nipple. It is so funny. I feel like I need to put this in my like memory box. Right, this is all newborn apparently, so I'm going to go through this and then see if I can just put newborn and 0 to 3 all together in one bag. Look how sweet, it says Grey Luna. Oh, keeping that. Oh god, I feel like I want to keep everything. Like, this is the hat that she wore back from the hospital.
We put it as an heirloom.
Heirloom? It's not an... I think you're confused on what heirloom is.
Oh yeah, no, you know what I mean.
I did so well. It's like I knew I was going to have a boy next. I feel like until she got to like toddler age, I feel like dresses and stuff didn't work anyway. Like, look how cool this is. I love this. Obviously, disclaimer, I have to say, I will encourage my son to wear, dress, be whoever he wants to be. Absolutely, I really am keeping most of this stuff. I just wanted to say that because, you know, you guys get me. Oh, I love this. The little lemon print, definitely keeping that. Although actually it's quite thin. This is the thing, everything's the wrong season. I'll keep it to wear like inside. I love these bags so much. So look, you fill them with stuff, you seal them, stick the hoover in, and it sucks out all the air and then keeps them super small so we can hopefully store these under our bed. These are all fab. These are the Grow Snugs. So they're like zip up swaddle suits. We swore by these, but these are all in the light because she was obviously a sun baby. I'm going to keep them just in case to try. Babies tend to cry if they're cold. So we can always give it a go with like some long sleeve underneath and see if it works. So I'm going to keep them for now. Safe to say we will not need to buy any muslins. Peloton is going on holiday to my sister's house down the road. Just while we do the loft, we have nowhere else to put it because it won't fit in the little small room, Gray's room, which is going to be my office. So at least that way Rich can still go and use it. Bye-bye for now. I don't know how they're going to carry it out. They're about to come and try. It's so heavy. You ready?
Oh, wow.
Oh my god, that is so satisfying. Look at that.
That's very cool.
You have to tip it loads.
Pivot.
Hang on. Let's remove the
RIP my hallway. If you do have storage and you're doing a similar thing, my top tip would be to be organised before you do it, because I'm very grateful to my former self. Look, I've put a little sign, 3 to 6 months, and I've already gone through all of this, so there shouldn't be too much stuff here for me to now sort through, which I'm very thankful for. Whilst sorting through all of these clothes, I'm watching endless amount of YouTube videos on VBAC versus elective C-sections. So that's where my head is at, just so you know. This is everything for 3 to 6. A lot less stuff. I guess that's because you probably overbuy newborn 0 to 3 because you have no idea at that point. You buy those things when you're pregnant, and then I probably realised and got less stuff. Or maybe when I cleared through this before. I don't know. I don't know why I haven't got much stuff. Just found this in a 6 to 9 box. It's from Next. It's like a green and pink leopard print tracksuit. Definitely keeping that. Like I'm starting to get somewhere. I've just stuck some masking tape on and then labelled it 6 to 9 months so I know what everything is. And these are going under the bed. We just had a lunch break. I am very tired right now. But this is what the underbed storage is looking like. So we've got quite a lot of space. And that's where we're putting the clothes. Look how much space we've saved by putting them in these vacuum bags rather than in the boxes. So hopefully all the clothes will fit under here and we'll still have some space for some other stuff. It's just things like, we've got a chair up there, we've got a snooze pod, we've got a bath seat, all these things we're gonna need when the baby comes, but we won't need it until then, that we're gonna have to figure out where to put it in the meantime. Some of these bags are absolutely massive. So we're using this one for playmat, blankets, muslins, like newborn towels, all of this stuff which we're going to want for the newborn times, but kind of bigger bulky stuff. Okay, I think we are getting somewhere. Rich has gone to the dump because we've got loads of stuff to get rid of, and actually I totally forgot but I just realised that Rich's brother's having a baby girl like quite soon, so all of the clothes that we're getting rid of, we were about to take them to charity, but we're going to obviously let him look through them first. So he's going to do that, and anything he doesn't want, he will take to charity. Yeah, did I say Rich has gone to the dump? We went up to the loft to check out what was still up there. So much stuff, like big furniture, equipment stuff. Our old West Elm wool rug, which we'd kept in a box with a lid, was completely infested with moths. It was disgusting. Oh, they were everywhere. They like flew out the box when Rich took the lid off. So that has had to go. And I'm now going through this massive IKEA bag that I've got here, which is, I think it's like maternity postpartum stuff. I've got like tenor pants. I've got my yoga ball. So I'm gonna have to vacuum pack this stuff as well into something more condensed. Oh, I've got some like maternity clothes actually. Ooh, I remember this Topshop dress. I loved this. This would be good for like autumn, winter when I'm still pregnant. Oh, everything's so dusty. Ooh. Right, I'm gonna get on. I'm playing music now. It's the only thing like keeping me going. If anyone's ever wondered what happens after birth or after my C-section anyway, put on these nappies. They're the best thing ever. So much better than pads. Just rip them off when you're done. Yeah, I wore these for a couple of days. They were great. Oh my God, Rich just came back from the dump with a decaf Starbucks coffee frappuccino. Oh my God, I've been craving one all day. That was good. That is really good. Okay, Rich is home.
Hello.
To do those bits that I can't do, like lift this bed.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, did I shut it with the thing in it?
Yeah.
Sorry. That one is huge.
Yeah.
See, I'm all for like fancy, nice looking beds with legs, but this storage is unreal. We've done as much as we can. We've got a lot of stuff still in the loft, and we don't know what we're going to do with it, but we're going to ask around and see if anyone we know can like house it for a little bit. But the last thing I want to do today is hoover, because everything's really dusty now. This is our hoover. We don't like it. It's really heavy and annoying to use, but yeah, I'm just going to get on and hoover the carpets. Okay, Gray's home and it's time for us to make her dinner, so I'm going to end this video here. I don't even know what I filmed, but if you like watching organising stuff, maybe this was a bit interesting. I'm coming. She wants me to go and tickle her while she jumps on the bed. So I better go. I will chat to you guys in the next video.